Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. We are doing a cozy autumn evening routine. This is my routine and I really wanted to show you guys because I think I've got it down. I think I know exactly how to have a cozy evening in. So sit back, relax, enjoy, maybe make some notes. I've also got a recipe going on in today's video, so you might want to make a list for that. But yeah, let's just go. Everything you will see in today's video I will try and link below for you guys, so do look in the description box. But yeah, starting off my evening routine, I'm actually in the office and I'm just closing up because I like to finish about 5:30, 6ish, 6:30 latest really, just to truly unwind before bed. Downstairs, I'm actually going to first of all get my candles on. You know me, I do love my Bath and Body Works leaves candle. It just smells like autumn and winter. It is so perfect in the kitchen as well. And I'm going to get my ingredients out because we are going to make a lovely chunky homemade vegetable soup. This is super warming, super filling, but also really healthy and also so cheap. It basically involves getting a load of vegetables from your fridge. They could just be leftover, going out of date, doesn't matter. Chop them all up, put them all together in a saucepan and put some stock in, and there you go. So the vegetables I'm using are carrots, leeks, 2 potatoes, some onion, garlic, and I think that's it actually. I think that was it today. Those are the vegetables I'm using, and I cut all of the hard vegetables up, put them into the saucepan to brown off.
These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do.
Once you've kind of browned off all of your hard vegetables, you want to add some boiling hot water. I normally add about a pint. The soup itself will get really thick, so you definitely need the water. And then I'm going to add some vegetable stocks and some Aldi chunky tinned tomatoes. The recipes normally tell you to add 1 vegetable stock cube, but I always add 2 because maximum flavour.
These days I seem to think a lot.
Next bit is to just season your soup, so salt, pepper and whatever herbs you might have left over in the cupboard. I'm actually super excited because I've started growing my own herbs in my new home. If you don't know, I've just moved house. You might want to catch up on my moving vlogs. But my new house, I've now got some herbs, and rosemary is absolute prime herb. It is the best herb ever. So I'm adding lots of rosemary and also a little bit of homegrown thyme.
Now I had a lover, and I don't think I'll risk another these days, or any day soon. These days.
Okay, although I'm weird, I do love the smell of onion and leek cooking around my house. I will put on an incense when I'm cooking just because it absorbs old food smells and it's just really nice and soothing and relaxing. So once the soup, all the ingredients are in together, you actually need to just let it simmer for a while. So I like to quickly tidy up the mess I've made, and tidying up just keeps my mind clean and tidy and relaxed.
So I stopped my dreaming, and I don't do too much scheming these days, no these.
Okay, leaving the soup on the stove for a while, we are going to head to the bathroom, get the bath on, do some skincare. Most importantly, take this makeup off. Like, my skin suffers when I've got makeup on, so we're going to take this off. But first things first, let's get the bath running and let's get the bubbles going and let's get the candles lit.
Oh, I have not forgotten them.
also love to add some Himalayan salt to my bath. I really find this like helps me relax a little bit more, especially when I'm having a really relaxing evening in the winter or autumn. This is just the Westlab Himalayan cleansing salt. I have linked some below for you. Okay, what am I doing here? Anyway, first things first, I need to get my big curly hair away from my face while we clean my skin. My skincare routine is fairly simple. I like to use really natural products and easy to find products. So I've got some Aveeno Clear Complexion Cleansing Soap, some Nivea Micellar Water and some Natura Aldi Toner for my face. Once I've exfoliated all the makeup out of my skin with my little handheld brush, I will grab my bamboo reusable cotton pads, which I love so much. They're so nice and kind on the planet. And I will put some Nivea Micellar Water on there and just really give my face an extra clean to make sure every bit of makeup is gone. And then I will go in with a fresh cotton pad and put on my Natura toner, which I find it really evens out my skin tone. Okay, using my Nivea Q10 moisturiser, I will moisturise and that will be me done. Don't forget to moisturise your neck, girls, because the neck can really show your age. And last but not least, I'm going to put a eye mask on, which I've linked down below for you. I love these eye masks and they make me feel so spa-like and relaxed. Okay, the bath is now fully ready. The bubbles are sky high, the candle is going, the bath bomb is about to go in. This is my intergalactic bath bomb, which is my favourite bath bomb from Lush. It really is the best. And now I can just get in, soak for a while, enjoy, put my favourite YouTube videos on and just really take some me time. Okay, once I'm out of the bath, I love to come upstairs, get straight in some really cozy, soft, warm PJs. The PJs of choice today are these gorgeous Fair Isle PJs from Primark. I actually think I own more PJs than I do normal clothes, guys. I'm obsessed. Anyway, I also grab the fluffiest, coziest, warming footwear I can find because fluffy socks really are the key to my heart. After coming downstairs, I will now serve my dinner, and you didn't think I was going to have a lovely healthy soup without a big dollop of bread. So I'm making some bread. This is also for Lawrence, by the way, but I'm going to serve my soup up now. As you can see, it's really chunky and wholesome. It's so good for you and so cheap, guys. It's really easy to do this soup. I will then take myself into the living room, make the living room really cozy, so put my lovely leaf fairy lights, which I have linked down below for you, light my gorgeous HomeSense Fox candle and dim the lights in the living room just to make everything super duper calming and cozy. And then I like to put something on the TV, like a nice series like Gilmore Girls. At the moment I'm actually watching David Attenborough's new documentary and I absolutely love it. And by the way guys, yes, my blanket does have sleeves in. It is super duper cozy. I've linked it down below for you in case you want to get one for yourself. Last thing to do on my cozy autumn evening is to come up to bed. So now I'm coming up to bed. I like to again make the room really cozy, get myself sorted. So opening my lovely footstool I bought from Aldi actually. This teams up as my dressing table seat as well as my bedside table. So inside here I keep my magazines, my books, some chocolate, my lavender sleep mask and just other bits and bobs. And I will pick out everything I'm going to be using that night and then use it as my bedside table. We also have one of those really cozy glow lamps. I really recommend these guys, but this one is really good because you can switch it off using only your phone. So I can be ultimately lazy and just lay in bed, and when I'm ready to turn the lights off, just switch it off via my phone. I don't have to get up. So at the moment I'm reading a country living magazine. I absolutely love country living. It's my favourite thing ever, and I'm so excited. I'm going to their Christmas fair next month. If you guys want me to vlog that, let me know. But I'm just going to read my magazine, read my book, and really just chill out now, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, my cat has now joined me. We're going to get so super duper cozy. I'm going to put my lavender eye mask on, which helps me sleep, turn the lights out, and just get a good night's rest basically. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more like these, please let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye!